अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम एम्फोटेरिक सब्सटेंसेस के बारे में पढ़ते हैं कि व्हाट आर एम्फोटेरिक सब्सटेंसेस। पिछले लेक्चर में हमने लोरी ब्रॉन्स्टेड या ब्रॉन्स्टेड लोरी एसिड बेस कॉन्सेप्ट के बारे में स्टार्ट किया था। उसमें मैंने आपको बताया था कि देयर आर सर्टेन सब्सटेंसेस विच कैन एक्ट एज एसिड एंड विच कैन एक्ट एज बेस एज वेल। नाउ वो सब्सटेंसेस कौन से हैं जो कि एसिड का भी काम करते हैं और बेस का भी काम करते हैं, और यही सब्सटेंसेस है क्या चीज़। सो एम्फोटेरिक सब्सटेंसेस आर दोज सब्सटेंसेस which behave like an acid and like bases. They are called as amphoteric in nature. Sometime they will act as an acid and sometime they will act as a base. The reaction depends upon the complete nature of these substances. It depends upon the reaction. They are also called as the honor of dual nature because during some reaction it will act as an acid, during other reaction it will act as a base. So all those substances which can show the nature of an acid and which can show the nature of a base as well, these are called as amphoteric substances. For example, let's suppose consider the example of water. Water is a substance which can act as an acid and which can act as a base. For example, if we react water with HCl, so in this case HCl is an acid, so water will act as a base in this particular reaction and it will accept proton from the acid. Let's see, I have shown it by an arrow that hydrogen is removed, hydrogen is donated by HCl to water. So water is accepting this hydrogen ion from HCl and water itself is converted into hydronium ion. So water is proton acceptor, and according to Lowry-Bronsted concept, proton acceptors are also called as bases. Now let's suppose another example in which water reacts with ammonia. So ammonia itself is a base, then water will act as an acid in this particular reaction. Water is providing hydrogen ion, water is donating proton, water is proton donor in this reaction, so it is donating proton to ammonia, while ammonia is accepting proton from water, and thus ammonia is converted into ammonium ion. Now both the reaction in which water is involved, but in one case it is a base, in other case it is an acid. So it completely depends upon the reaction that water is reacting with which species or which substance. If it is reacting with an acid, then water is acting as a base, and if it is reacting with a base, then water will act as an acid. So this complete phenomena in which a substance can act as an acid and as a base in both depends upon particular reaction. That substance is basically called as amphoteric substance. Apart from water, there are other substances as well. I will further explain it in the next video. Till that time, thank you. तो वाटर का जो नेचर है वो कभी एसिड का काम करेगा और कभी ये बेस का काम करेगा। इन दोनों रिएक्शन में मैंने लिखा हुआ है कि कभी एसिड का काम करेगा, कभी बेस का काम करेगा। सो इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द रिएक्शन। अगर वाटर एसिड के साथ रिएक्शन करता है तो ये बेस का काम करेगा, अगर वाटर बेस के साथ रिएक्शन करता है तो फिर वाटर एसिड का काम करेगा। तो इस तरह के सब्सटेंसेस जो कभी एसिड का काम करे और कभी बेस का काम करे, उनको हम कहते हैं एम्फोटेरिक सब्सटेंसेस, and they are called as the honor of dual nature.